everyone. So in this video, I will let you know about SQL vulnerability or SQL injection. And with the practical, I will let you know how we can hack a website or how we can hack a credential of a login or username and password. So guys, this is the part 2. I have already covered on this part 1. So first go to visit to the part 1 and then come to on to the part 2. So let's start. So here, as you know, I am always used two machine. So this is my Metasploit 2 machine here, you can see, and this is my Kali machine, right? So why this is running here? So if I showcase you my browser, so you can see this is the IP of Metasploit machine. That means this machine, IP of this machine, right? So when I type this IP, so I am able to get these 5 websites for the testing, right? So today I will test on Middle Day website. So this is the, like, you can say this is the local server where we have host 5 website. So you can also make that local server on your system. I have already dedicated video on this, so you can also look at that how I configure this server, right? So this is the Middle Day website here. So how we can hack or use the SQL injection vulnerability, right? So here you can see there is a name and password text field here. So if I type here, for example, Anku, I have already make the Anku is the username from the page registered here. So from here you can create also your username. But now I have just typed the username, but password I have not typed, so how I can hack, right? So if a site is SQL vulnerable, so how we can do that, right? So here you can see this is the notepad here. So I have write the query. So for example, if I say to, right, so you can see if I use the username and password and click on login, so how the backend query works. So it's look like backend query work. Select star from account, this is the table in SQL, right? Select star from account where username is equal to admin or Anku, whatever you type in here in this column, and password, sorry, password is equal to AA, whatever your password. So this type of query will work in backend, right? So how you can bypass this backend? So here this is the bypass code. If you use this code, for example, if you use this query into your password field, so how it's look like? It's look like here. If I paste here, so it's look like password is equal to AA, which is not real password, this is the fake, right? Or this is the main condition, or 1 is equal to 1, that means will be um, it will be written always true. If it will return true, then we are able to log in, right? So I just copy here this one and go to the password and I will paste here. If I log in here, don't save, so you can see I am able to log in, right? So this is the first way. The second way, this is the first way I am able to log in here, right? So now I am going to log out from here. So if I go to log out, right? So now if I have, I know this website is vulnerable. This website is SQL injection vulnerability, right? So this is only with the password. If I go to only with the name, so how I can, right? So if you can see here, you just type this query, this one, into the username. So if you paste in username, how query looks like, it will go to the select star from account where username is equal to admin, and we use the hash keyword. So that means in SQL, if we are using hash keyword, so it will make comment this code. That means only this query will execute in the system, and after the hash code, this will not, this will be not execute, right? So we just copy this here, copy, And if I put this into the name, so I have just, you can see here I have put this query. If I log in here without password, then this should be login, because the query will work only till the admin. It will not, after the hash, I have typed hash, after the hash whatever I put here or not, it will not execute, because that code will be comment in SQL, right? So if I go to the login button and click here, if I click, so you can see I am able to log in, right? That means without password I am able to log in. So I am going to again log out. So guys, this is the part 2 of my SQL injection vulnerability. You can also see the first one part, and I have already explained multiple things on this video. So this is all in this video, and subscribe my channel to get the upcoming or latest video on hacking. So I am making, hacking tutorial, and every day I am uploading the multiple video. So you can visit that channel to look the video. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.